Good morning, good afternoon. We appreciate your participation in the 2021 CGA OEIC Virtual What's Current. My name is Mike Dillon. I'm Vice President of Business Development at C.R. Wall & Company. And it is my privilege to introduce or reintroduce you to C.R. Wall. C.R. Wall is a national distributor of products and solutions for the Canadian natural gas industry. And for those of you that may not know, C.R. Wall acquired Foothills Industrial Products in Calgary in March of 2020. Together, we are better, allowing us to deliver more value to you, our valued customers. The combined business provides us with scale, an expanded offering, regional distribution centers, and adds to our team of skilled gas industry experts. With that, let's move on to what's current. For those of you who missed our C.R. Wall Gas Academy event this past Thursday, allow me to introduce you to the George Fisher Co-Pilot Meter Bypass. As you can see by the design, the solution is simple. Co-Pilot allows a gas meter to be safely and easily replaced without interrupting service or the need to enter a residence. No more scheduling or rescheduling to relay pilots or conduct appliance checks. Co-Pilot requires no hoses or regulators or complex combinations of valve procedures to bypass. Quickly connects to virtually any existing 6-inch on-center meter set. The Co-Pilot is self-contained and very simple to install, even in the field for existing sets. Its tamper-resistant screws, custom activation key, and optional locking devices provide multiple levels of security. So, one area of the George Fisher offering that should be of high value and relevant for many of you is prefabricated pre-bent meter sets. These solutions are being driven by your need to increase productivity, drive efficiencies, and ultimately cost savings. In addition to the economic drivers, your requirements might include to improve worker safety, reduce repetitive work injury, for example, to reduce SKUs and consolidate your vendors, and very importantly, to help you achieve aggressive emission targets. Emissions reduction is achieved by reducing threaded connections and supply of a turnkey meter set already pressure tested, painted, and ready to install. Your prefab pre-bent meter set design can include bypass option, meter set valves, pressure regulators, meter bars and or meter mounting brackets, and hardware. Next steps, let's sit down. We'll work with you to identify your high value targets. And now, Pietro Fiorentini FE, FEX regulators. These are an absolute game changer and on trend. I'll explain, but first some spec highlights so you know where it can be applied. So let's hit the highlights on the specs. Category leading turn down rangeability, 2 to 125 PSI inlet, 5 inches water column to 7.5 pounds outlet, configurable opco range, -40 operating. Now let's talk about what matters most to you. So, FE, FEX regulators. Let's talk about the value proposition and the key takeaways, if you will. The FE and FEX are Measurement Canada approved for pressure factor measurement and CSA 6.18 certified. These are two-stage regulation reduction regulators, fully balanced valve. What does that mean? Single orifice is good across the full inlet pressure range. One model from 250 up to 800 class meters. OPCO is standard, overpressure cutoff standard, under pressure cutoff, excess flow, and thermal valve shutoff are optional. These are hydrogen ready, up to 20% hydrogen in natural gas, and available sub-zero for -40 ambient. And now for some quick but important updates. Let's start with Broen ball valves. Our Broen API 6D all welded steel ball valves now complete with CRN across the range. Also, -40 low temp operation, and in addition to double block and bleed as standard configuration, double isolation and bleed is now an option. For those unfamiliar with Broen valves, we offer a complete line of all welded steel, double block and bleed, double isolation and bleed, trunnion, maintenance-free, and PE valves. And with that, let me conclude. C.R. Wall Gas Academy was launched in 2020 to support and educate our customers on the product, services, and industry best practices that matter most to you. Gas Academy will deliver the knowledge and tools to help you achieve your business goals tied to performance, safety, cost savings, emissions reductions, and more. Through 2020, Sierra Wild Gas Academy hosted nearly a dozen free live online events covering everything from static suppression and gas odorization to wireless pressure monitoring, valve training, and gas detection. And we have more events scheduled for the spring, including steel and PE ball valves, valve maintenance, including our valve maintenance 102 series for plug and ball, delivered by the always entertaining and world-class subject matter expert Joe Perkle from SealWeld. We also have SICK ultrasonic and Honeywell metering, and a deep dive on new and high-value construction products and practices. We encourage you to visit our website and follow us on LinkedIn to receive the most up-to-date content and schedule information. Thank you all very, very much. Be safe, stay healthy, and we will hope to see you face-to-face in the near future. All the best.